I just love coming over to Sycamore Springs and walking their trails. But I haven't been on this trail yet. So, walk with me. Let's see where this trail goes. It's nice and quiet here. Really beautiful. My kids they love coming over here. But I haven't been on this trail yet, so I don't know really where it goes. There's a trail right there, but I don't know where it leads either. There's a squirrel over there playing. Let's just continue walking and see where it goes. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's 3 bunny rabbits playing over in the yard right there. Oh, that's really cool. My kids would love that. But let's walk back this way and back on the trail that we was on. Really pretty trees. Still can't, I really don't know what that's there for. There's another one of those concrete pads, but to be honest, I really don't know what it's there for. But we'll continue walking over towards the church.